Hey guys, we are back and I've got Chase here as my helper today, and as you can see, we did take another trip to Toys R Us and we got not only one more puppy surprise but two, and the big surprise is that one of them isn't a puppy surprise, it's a unicorn surprise. So you can kind of see her little horn there. It's so sparkly and cute. She's got like glittery mascara, you guys. And we are going to find out how many little babies she has in her tummy today. So I've got Chase here to help me out. We've got our other puppy surprise here. And then we have also got our Dalmatian surprise and her 3 puppies. Not only that, we even got an extra puppy pack. So Chase is going to help me get them out of the box, and we are gonna find out how many babies mommy is having today. Okay, so here is the puppy pack. So we are gonna do the puppy pack first, guys. So if any of you have a puppy surprise and you weren't happy with how many puppies you got, I only got 3 with my Lacey over here. So you can always go to Toys R Us or Target or Walmart and pick up one of these little puppy packs. And you have to guess how many puppies are going to be inside. So I'm going to guess...
How many girls, how many boys?
Ooh, and how many girls and how many boys. So I am going to guess that there is going to be 2 puppies inside. The only annoying thing about these, you guys, is that the packaging is so hard to open. But I finally got it cut open. So Chase is going to open it up, you guys.
So far, we only have 1 girl.
So far there's a girl on top, and we have never had a boy puppy. Never ever. Out of all our puppies that we have ever got, they have all been girls.
A boy!
We got a boy! Fun! Yay! We got a little boy.
But there's only 1.
We only got 1 inside. So
oh my god, it's so cute! It's a doggy!
Let us see him. Oh, he is adorable, Chase.
Shit, I need to get this out.
Okay, let's cut that off. We got 2 adorable little puppies, and Chase is just overjoyed because we finally got a boy.
Wait, we could actually do this right now. We could
build a little puppy pyramid, and see, we can show you guys we only got girls, so all our other puppies that we have ever got have been girls. These are Chase's little Dalmatians.
Yes, I love the Dalmatian.
Chase loves the Dalmatian, and he actually got twins in his Dalmatian. And not only that, he got a little barking puppy. You want to show them your barking puppy, Chase? And show us her twin.
Is this what it?
So cute. So we are really excited to find out whether we are going to get any twins or any runts in our unicorn surprise. So are you ready to open up the unicorn, Chase?
Oh, yeah!
Yeah. Got Aria out of the box, and she is so cute. I still need to snip her little feeties off and unattach her, but before we took the puppies out, I wanted to give you guys a good look at her. So she does have the really cute puppy surprise collar, only this time it is US for unicorn surprise. And like I said before, she has the prettiest sparkly pink eyeliner. She also has these pink stars all over her face, and I love them so much. Her horn is like shiny and almost holographic. It is really, really pretty. Chase is playing with the puppies over here, having fun. He's built a little puppy tower, and he's absolutely in love with his little boy puppy, aren't you, Chase?
Yeah.
And okay, I am going to cut her out of the box, and we are going to find out how many puppies are there inside, or unicorn, or ponies, I should say. Ponycorns? She is just so adorable, you guys. I love her so much. So I forgot to point out that she also has these really cute, shiny feet. If you notice the puppy surprises, their feet just look like the rest of their body, but she has, like, I guess they're like her little shiny hoofs. They are so cute. And anyway, you guys, what is a baby unicorn called?
Pegasus?
That is a unicorn with wings, but good guess, Chase. Okay. Yeah, Rainbow Dash is a pet, guys. So we are ready to find out how many babies are inside. Chase is going to give us a hand, and we have all our puppies standing by. So So let's see if we get lucky this time.
Oh, I feel like there's only 3, but now it might be 4, I feel.
Ooh, let's find out.
Oh, I know it. It's a boy.
Yay! We got a boy right off the bat. How exciting.
Whoa.
Let's see. Ooh,
Oh my God. Wait, there's a lot.
so cute. So we got 1 boy.
2.
2. Oh, this one is so pretty. We got 3 so far.
4.
We got 4.
Okay, there's
We got 4 little ponies, and they are so cute, you guys. So the babies don't have horns, but look at this one. She's got little sparkles in her ears. They are so adorable. Oh my gosh, you guys. So this one has a white face with pink hair and a pink belly. She is so cute. And this one over here is pink. She's also got glitter in her ears. Oh, and they've even got a twinkle in their eye. So adorable. So here is the boy. He has such a fluffy tail, and I think he's all white with a white belly. Yep. And then we've got a pink one over here with a white mane and a white tail, and they've all got fluffy tails. And they are so super cute. Wow, you guys. So here is the unicorn surprise with all her little ponies. And I think they are so precious, you guys, and so adorable. Here are the 2 little puppies we got today out of our puppy pack. And of course, we are so happy that we finally got some boys. Over here, we have our new Dalmatian puppy surprise and her little babies, including twins. And then, of course, over here, we have my puppy surprise from last time, and she is so pretty as well. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time.